Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you bind your Bitget wallet with Bitget exchange account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Bitget wallet, and after opening the Bitget wallet you just simply have to tap into these four circles into the top left corner. Just simply tap there and then tap to this bind option into bind Bitget exchange account. Tap into bind and tap to confirm. Now you just simply have to enter your PIN, and after entering the PIN, it will open your Bitget application. If you don't have any application, you just simply have to download it from the Play Store or App Store. Now just simply tap to confirm, and after doing this, your account will successfully be binded with Bitget exchange. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.